Welcome to Menopause 911, your hotline when hormones decide to mess with every part of life, including the bedroom. Today we're tackling low libido, that disappearing sex drive that can leave you wondering where your spark went. You're not broken, and it's incredibly common. Let's bring some heat back without the pressure. First, let's understand why desire often takes a nosedive. Estrogen, progesterone, and especially testosterone all play key roles in sexual desire, arousal, and comfort. As these hormones decline or fluctuate wildly in perimenopause and menopause, blood flow to pelvic tissues decreases, natural lubrication drops, and brain signals for intimacy can weaken. Add in fatigue from poor sleep, body image changes from weight shifts, mood dips, or even pain during sex from vaginal dryness, and it's no wonder libido feels MIA for many women. Up to 50% or more report this shift. The sneaky part is that it often builds gradually, so you might not connect it right away to hormones. Your libido didn't ghost you on purpose. It just got stuck in traffic caused by a hormonal roadblock. But seriously, this isn't about losing your womanhood. It's a physiological response that many women navigate successfully with the right tools and open conversations. Practical steps start with addressing physical barriers. Use quality lubricants and regular vaginal moisturizers. Consider low-dose vaginal estrogen or other GSM treatments for comfort. Strength training and cardio can boost energy and blood flow. Talk openly with your partner. Many find renewed connection through non-penetrative intimacy or schedule this time without pressure. Discuss testosterone therapy, off-label but increasingly used, or other options with a menopause-informed doctor. Lifestyle factors like reducing alcohol, managing stress, and prioritizing sleep also help reignite that spark. Intimacy can absolutely return. Sometimes even better with honesty and support. Try one tip this week and share your experiences in the comments. Subscribe for more rescues.